The first presumption in law is ignorance of law is not an excuse. Everybody should know what is the law. Suppose he has come across that fellow throwing something. Okay, as far as his recording of the video is concerned, okay, he's trying to collect some kind of evidence. Thereafter, what happens? Thereafter, our criminal justice system requires the person should inform the authority, whether it is police, panchayat, municipality. These are the authorities under this garbage. And thereafter, the authority will take cognizance of the thing. Of shooting a video, making it viral, it amounts to social media defamation. In every case, even when the police arrest somebody in a cognizable offense and take the photographs and all, police are also prohibited not to publish because there is a presumption of innocence against everybody. He has to be proved guilty in the trial. And this kind of shooting of videos without going to the authorities and publishing by the news channel or the social media amounts to violating the fundamental rights of a civilian, which is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which says presumption of innocence.